Hey guys, we're back. I know we were gone. Honestly, it's the first vacation I've taken on purpose in like 15 years. So I was not upset, but we did get something cool in the mail from 10 Spot. So let's go find Jake.
But yeah,
I think
so
he's out here.
the
What are you
picks
doing?
are helping out pretty well, actually.
Hello?
These new picks
Oh shit, he might be recording.
I'm working on a navigator video. Oh, you have a camera.
I do.
You have your heated jacket on, and we're in Florida.
I'm cold.
We go to Ohio for 5 minutes, and you come back with heated gear. What did you say from 10?
It's a cool thing from 10 Spot, but look, oh, it's hidden. My hair and the microphone are hiding.
Oh,
yes,
this.
I am.
Is this what you're trying to show off?
Currently warm right now.
You're at low, so
I am at low.
what did I?
We got a thing from 10 Spot.
10 Spot. Did you know that we? Actually, I'm just really telling them. Spoiler alert: we stock 10 Spot stuff in our store, and we sell it all the time. That's funny. All right, you guys know what my favorite tool is? You want to comment below? It might not be DeWalt, but
Lies.
I know a certain DeWalt person that is my favorite.
He only loves me for my shovel.
It's a scary shovel. Hello.
It's a scary shovel?
My name is Jake, and I love. Now I just need to put this in a PACKOUT.
Well, lucky for you. I have one of those too.
Do you know what this is for?
No, but I bet you're going to tell me.
It's for this.
That looks like we've had it for a while, and I've removed it a lot.
You know the funny thing about
Do
it is,
tell. It's like kindergarten.
so this
I want
is,
show and tell.
This is, I got this from Tools Tech Choice, or Tech Choice Tools. So it's the 49, 66, 78, 32. This is not, they actually have a bigger set, and I'm fairly certain looking
That's
at this.
what she said.
But these are lug nut impacts so that you don't scratch your fancy lug nuts. And 10 Spot did an insert for. Really?
I'm funny. Sometimes I'm the funniest person I know, and that makes my day.
So shouldn't it say something like,
Not your mom?
here. Where did you get this really neat latch from?
Oh, I made it.
You made it.
I made it.
How did you make it?
With a 3D printer and a little bit of ingenuity, anything is possible. Because it turns out, boys and girls, there are people that don't understand why we label latches. Do you know why? We change all of those for those of you that are maybe new to the game like me. Because when that man sends me into the garage and says, can you go get the thing, the thing, earlier he said, go get me the red thing. The cardboard slip around the red thing. If those aren't marked in some way, how am I gonna know? Aside from depth.
Right.
Like he knows which depth anything is in. I mean, he probably would. But
Right.
When we Rain Man.
1 inch. So funny thing is that this set, oh no, I'll have to get a different one. Look, I'll have to get another set because I only have half or some of the metric.
Womp, womp, womp.
I mean, oh.
Did you take
Wait.
them out? Are they?
Am I math challenged?
Maybe.
3/4 is there. If it's there.
So we need the big
I'm gonna have
guys.
to. Did I buy some of those in Mexico or?
No, I don't think so. But don't you need the?
Yeah, I mean,
aren't those the extension, the thing that attaches to that?
that's in our luggage. Did
That's
we?
right. We
Did
got
we?
a new suitcase.
We didn't open all of our luggage, so I can finally get rid of this.
You can.
Look, I'm gonna do it. Let's go to the garage. Now that we have this labeled lug nuts, and we got this cool thing at 10 Spot Tool, which we sell in our store, and you'll even have a link to where they can get your 3D printed handles, right?
Why not?
Let's go find the
Another
luggage.
house to buy. Oh yeah, we got. I'll show you
Look,
this new
I
suitcase.
just threw that out. Did you just?
I would clap for you, but I only have one hand. Here, can you take this, please?
I've got the camera.
I'm
You
sorry.
said suitcase.
I know. I gotta go get it.
I found that from Mexico. Did you guys? Mexican tape. But I haven't seen a suit. I've looked all over in the garage and I don't see a
Why don't you go
suitcase.
check the trunk while I go look?
Okay. Do you guys know you can get tape measures in Mexico?
He needs a snack. Maybe you'll find a Snickers back there.
Okay. So
Love you.
Love you. We're working on the navigator, and we actually got some stuff out of storage, and working on next Friday's video as well. Got the I sent her to Home Depot because this is for a customer, and then this we're going to be attaching in the back of the navigator using the T-mat, you guys haven't seen the T-Mat, this stuff is pretty cool. These grids will go in the back. We showed this right before I moved, but we're going to permanently install it. Permanently, temporarily. I don't know how you want to word that. But she obviously bought some plants. And so next Friday, we're going to be installing this. You found it?
Yeah.
Okay. I see when I sent you to Home Depot to get the PACKOUT, you got some plants?
I did. Also, I ordered you 2 more crates and the correct...
Crates. You say
Yes.
crates, right? Because look, chemicals. And I'm going to need another Mary Perpins.
Mary Perpins.
Mary Perpins. I thought you got the... Why does that have a Tampa?
It's my new suitcase.
It's your new suitcase.
Have PACKOUT will travel.
Did you guys know these existed? They're finally in the stores. Actually, they're not really in the stores, right? Because where did we get it from?
Not the store.
No, we did.
We did?
What's the cool store that won't let us film in it at the moment?
Oh, Northern Tool. See?
Northern Tool, right? So watch.
Ta-da!
So this was their answer to how you could put a half packet. I don't... Okay. The gig's up. I mean, obviously, we're sort of doing this like a vlog, and there's a joke behind it. So yeah, you can put a half on here. So now I could put a half PACKOUT here and here, and I just finally saw them in the store. Granted, we always have the crate caps that are doing it, but here's the next problem at Milwaukee, is none of their crates are deep enough for stuff like this.
Or a Stanley.
They fit, or a Stanley.
It's too tall. I can see it from here.
They almost fit in those, so got to come up with a better solution. But I've got so many chemicals that she ordered me some crates. Did you?
Aren't the parts to that thing over there in here too?
The parts to what thing?
The lug nut thing.
Oh, we did buy the extensions. Well, we haven't opened it.
I know, I'm waiting for you.
And actually, that...
See, when you need a suitcase
She's
on
gonna show-
vacation, and sadly enough, I think it's going to be easier in our house to find room for this than it will be for another suitcase until we find a bigger house.
Okay, well, why don't you start the code, and I'm going to show them real quick.
Can we just talk about how TSA didn't dent the hell out of this?
TSA didn't. And in fact, what we'll do is we're going to go ahead and insert the clip right now of us at the airport.
The name and the claim to the bag before removing it off of the belt. Please make sure you are taking your bag and not the look-alike.
I got it.
Waiting until we get home to open it?
We don't want the tequila to go everywhere. Then it would be like a fiesta right here at the airport, even though it's warm. And I took my pantalones off. I'm just going to put it on the tripod and come around here. These still have... Are you
Those are for giveaway.
drinking?
Not yet.
Oh, okay, so...
So, super magic secret to getting a PACKOUT through TSA. I was very worried that if somebody were to throw this, because we all know that they're not very delicate with luggage, and I mean, I get it. You got to get from A to B quickly, but I was worried that one of these would pop open, and then all of my stuff would be, my britches would be scattered from hell to breakfast, and that would be a sad day. But we got a lock.
What did you get?
I got a TSA approved lock, and I put it right here in the hole,
Oh.
and it locked the
okay.
PACKOUT just fine. So
And they didn't dent it.
They didn't dent it. Not even
This
the
went
rails.
from actually Columbus to... We couldn't find these in Mexico. In fact, we found the tape measure I showed you. And we went to the Home Depot, and it was... They were having a fiesta
For
with
they
hard
did
hats
an
for the
employee
employees.
appreciation fiesta. It was pretty cool, actually.
But oddly enough, the only people that shopped there, they looked like they were Canadian or something. I don't know.
It's, you know. Clearly, that's not where the locals go.
What else did we buy?
We're about to remember. Brain injury Betty here. Whee! Filament!
Hey, it doesn't smell like...
It doesn't
Anything
smell like
bad.
anything broke. Oh,
Filament?
yeah. He took me to Micro Center. One shoe. Is your name John now?
John Malkovich? I
No.
don't know.
If you understand what just happened, let me know in the comments.
Comment below.
I'm secretly 907.
That's my
fine.
drawers. That's
Hey,
my
we've
drawers.
been looking for these. What's this?
Just
Extra bubble wrap. Oh,
3D printer parts.
3D printer parts.
More drawers.
More drawers.
Ooh. She's excited. I'm gonna take these out while you're doing that. More
so
filament.
yeah, if you're gonna stop somewhere, and you know, the sad thing was we actually needed another pack out. We didn't need another suitcase, so this worked out beautifully.
So, Micro Center.
She's beautiful.
What is it? Show them.
It
it's liquor, right?
is a agave chocolate liqueur.
Cookie CAD?
Yeah, they have really cool colors. Sometimes I like to print things. I also ordered a fluorescent pink Pet G, so if anybody wants pink bins, I got you.
More
britches.
More britches. Oh, there it is. There's a Milwaukee package.
Hey!
You know what I realized when I bought these? That I didn't
got the wrong
realize
ones.
that I bought 3/8.
Who has 2 thumbs and already ordered you the half-inch off Home Depot's website?
Santa Claus? Did you know that Santa Claus and eBay, you can get a DeWalt misting kit and the fan for $25?
It sounds to me like your reading comprehension might not be the best. You can get a misting kit for $25, but I can't help you in the expectation of getting a fan.
How much liquor did you buy?
I'm going to need you to reserve your judgment. That is a gift.
This one's a gift?
Yes. Oh, this is the extra anejo.
Where's the
Hey,
one
this is the name of the guy that pooped himself.
Is it really?
It is. We had somebody on our tour definitely got sick, and we felt terrible for him, but that was his name. I'm not going to drop that. Because, you know, I feel like that's the worst kind of Mexican roulette. Montezuma's Revenge.
Oh, that's fancy. So, okay. So you already bought me a replacement?
I did.
So
It'll be here tomorrow.
So I have more of my extensions that I can then pass on to somebody else because I got new ones. And what the fudge?
Anything is a cup if you're trying hard enough. Salud. Here's to TSA and this pack out, making it through in better shape than any of my suitcases
They did a
ever
great
have.
job. I found my britches. You got
Look at
tequila.
this. The factory tag is still on here and isn't even bent or damaged.
And in case you don't believe us,
we got in on
There it
Southwest
is.
before they started charging for bags.
so we actually bought this and then traveled checked it for free. Right?
We did.
Right. Okay. Well, I better get to the other videos now that they know that we're doing a TMAT for
We gotta
next
make sure
Fridays.
it didn't get, you know,
And that is
plastic.
bad.
Yeah,
That's really sweet.
that's really good.
You got your warmth jacket. I gotta go do videos.
Salud.
Thanks for watching. Any other stuff that?
Ooh. You remember how I just rode your butt a little bit about moving those? Can you read off the names and what it says on the pin, or would you like me to?
Oh,
The winners. We're finally announcing winners.
we got the winners. For the pick set, Mike Pete.
P-A-T. Tay. I don't even speak English anymore. Mike P. from somewhere in Texas, because I can't read my own handwriting right now.
And he won the pick set. And then Samuel Epstein.
From Memphis, Tennessee.
He didn't do it, and he was found dead.
Well, no, he won the backpack.
Oh.
Wrong Epstein.
Oh, okay,
I
he
feel
won
like
the
that
backpack.
might be kind of unfortunate, like
Epstein
several
didn't do
other names.
it. Nice. So, I can start working on another pack-out anthology, which means I can pack
You can
away.
get that out of the box and put that away, and
Exactly.
I can go find room for this filament.
And if you look, it's tall enough, so maybe we're going to be storing bottles in XLs.
That seems very, like, not the most cost-efficient way to do that.
It doesn't go in crates. 2 crates is
What are those?
the wall cabinet.
Mm-hmm.
It's not. I actually want to be able to get them from the top. And if you load it from the front, then you have to move everything out of the
I
way.
feel like this is Milwaukee saying you can wish in one hand and poop in the other and see which one fills up quicker.
Right, but why would we have a crate that we can't put stuff on top? Unless you have the Mary Poppins version of that crate.
Why don't you make a lid for the crate? Like an elevated one that snaps on, that's got like a 2 or 3
There's
inch
actually
clearance.
JakeOfALL does that.
Okay, well that sounds really smart. Maybe we should just order one of those.
Yeah, I want the middle. I want the
You know
in
what?
between.
It's your shop. I don't
Exactly.
have to be out here.
Well, Mike and Samuel, thank you. All of you guys, make sure you tune in the next Friday, she didn't grab this bottle. So
That is a gift.
oh, I
for
thought you
Tina.
left. You were off camera. Thought this was just me. I'm the Jake of all, and I'm gonna go get tequila.
I
She took
love
the
you.
open one. Tequila out. All right, but no, really, you guys, check out next Friday's video. We're going to go into the T-Mat, and thanks for watching.
Thank you to everybody who ordered during the customer appreciation sale while we were gone. We are hard at work on getting. I shipped out quite a few orders today and yesterday. But
I'm going to move my lips like
he's
I'm the
doing
one
the
talking.
end credits. It's super cool. Are we
know.
going to have things flying up on
No,
the screen?
but 10 Spot Tool is available in our store, and
So it links to
she'll
the
then
custom
also have a
labels
link
and
to
latches.
where we get label and latches from, because we have a really cool person that does that for us. AKA, it's her. All right, see you guys. I'm out. Elevator.
I love you. All right, what are you doing?
I literally just took a video of that.